Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today I'm here to tell you the 2 keys, tickets to paradise. We know that paradise is such a beautiful garden that has no example. It is the name of a place of luxury and comfort that will be given to the believers by Allah Almighty as a reward for their faith and deeds. There will be luxurious buildings and many more beautiful things. All legitimate desires of man will be fulfilled there, and it is the only real success. Allah Almighty says, "Whoever is saved from hellfire and entered to paradise has achieved real success." Here are 2 simple ways by which every Muslim can earn the pleasure of Allah and book a ticket to paradise in return. Firstly, we should be strong believer. Without faith, no good deed will be accepted by man. So, if we want to go to heaven, we have to bear witness to the oneness of God. All the prophets began their da'wah by calling people to become a believer and rejecting all forms of polytheism. It is the foundation stone of the grand edifice of every religion. The main and real purpose of all of them is to get the pleasure of Allah and paradise. It was narrated that Uthman said, "Whoever dies knowing that there is no God but Allah will enter paradise." Secondly, we should do good deeds. In today's world, as easy as it is to do bad things, it is so difficult to do good things. That is why Allah has given a great reward for doing good deeds and also promised paradise. Allah says in Quran, "Whoever does good deeds, whether male or female, and is a believer, then we will surely give him, live a good life, and we will give them their reward according to the goodness of what they used to do." Allah created the servants to test them. The levels of heaven will be different depending on people's deeds. It is known for some hadiths that there are 100 levels of heaven, and the highest level is Jannah al-Firdaus. We should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for Jannah al-Firdaus. Therefore, we should try our best to make our good deeds good so that we can enter paradise.